A relationship red flag that you shouldn't ignore is when your partner says to you, "You're not hearing me." Many people ignore this red flag by responding in a way that seems logical, either defending themselves or trying to prove that they did actually hear. But those kind of responses only makes things worse. Why? Because the phrase "you're not hearing me" doesn't mean what people think. It is code for something else. It is code for "I don't feel heard," which means that the best response is a couple of listen questions to ensure that your partner feels heard and problem solved. Visit our website for more on listen questions and how to handle red flags. Remember, feeling heard creates connection.